Many people think happiness comes from big achievements, a bigger house, a bigger salary, or more success. But in Japan, people often believe something different. They believe a peaceful life is built from small, daily habits. And one of the most powerful places where these habits exist is the kitchen. The Japanese kitchen is not only a place to cook food, it is a place where discipline, mindfulness, and simplicity live together. Many Japanese families follow small kitchen habits that make their lives calmer, healthier, and more organized. These habits may look simple, but when practiced every day, they can completely change how a person lives. Today, we will explore 6 Japanese kitchen habits that make life simpler. And if you enjoy learning simple ideas that improve life, please subscribe to Health Wealth Books. This channel shares timeless wisdom, simple habits, and powerful ideas from around the world. Now let's begin.
One thing visitors quickly notice in Japanese homes is how clean and uncluttered the kitchen looks. There are very few items on the kitchen counter. Many kitchens have only the essential tools. No extra machines, no unused gadgets, no unnecessary utensils. But why? Because Japanese culture believes clutter creates mental stress. When a kitchen is full of things, the mind also feels full. But when the space is simple and clean, the mind becomes calm. This idea is strongly connected to the Japanese philosophy of minimalism. Minimalism does not mean living with nothing. It means keeping only what truly adds value to life. In many Japanese kitchens, every item has a purpose. Every tool is used regularly, and every object has its own place. Because of this habit, cooking becomes easier. You don't waste time searching for things. You don't feel overwhelmed by too many choices. You simply cook, clean, and enjoy the process. Over time, this habit also reduces unnecessary buying. People stop purchasing gadgets they don't really need, and life becomes simpler. The Japanese kitchen teaches a powerful lesson. Simplicity is not emptiness. Simplicity is clarity.
In many homes around the world, dishes stay in the sink for hours, sometimes even overnight. But in Japan, it is very common to clean the kitchen immediately after cooking or eating. Why? Because Japanese culture values something called resetting the space. The idea is simple. Before ending the day, the kitchen should return to its clean and peaceful state. This habit creates several benefits. First, the next morning becomes easier. When the kitchen is already clean, cooking breakfast feels calm and pleasant. Second, small messes never become big problems. Grease does not accumulate, food waste does not smell, and the kitchen stays hygienic. Third, cleaning becomes faster. When you clean immediately, the mess is small. But when you wait, the work becomes larger and more tiring. Japanese families often teach this habit from childhood. Children help wash dishes, wipe tables, and organize utensils. Because of this, cleaning is not seen as punishment. It becomes a natural part of daily life. This small habit creates something very powerful, a sense of closure and peace at the end of the day. The kitchen is ready for tomorrow, and the mind can relax. Another beautiful habit in Japanese cooking is respect for seasons. Instead of eating the same foods all year, Japanese kitchens often cook seasonal ingredients. This idea is deeply rooted in Japanese culture. In Japan, each season has its own foods. Spring brings fresh vegetables and light flavors. Summer offers cooling foods. Autumn is known for rich harvest ingredients. Winter includes warm and comforting dishes. But why is this important? Seasonal food is often fresher and more nutritious. It also tastes better because the ingredients are at their natural peak. But there is also a deeper reason. Eating seasonal food connects people with nature's rhythm. It reminds people that life is constantly changing. Spring becomes a time of freshness. Autumn becomes a time of gratitude for the harvest. Even cooking becomes a way of appreciating nature. This habit also encourages simplicity in cooking. When ingredients are fresh, they do not need complicated recipes. Often, Japanese cooking uses only a few seasonings. The natural taste of the ingredient becomes the star. In a world full of processed food and complex recipes, this habit teaches an important lesson. Good food does not need complexity, it needs respect for nature. Japanese meals often look very different from large Western plates. Instead of one large dish, meals are often served in several small portions. Small bowls, small plates, small servings. But why? Because Japanese culture believes eating should be balanced and mindful. This idea is connected to the well-known principle called Hara Hachi Bu. It means eating until you are about 80% full, not completely full, not uncomfortable, just satisfied. Serving smaller portions helps control how much we eat. When food is divided into small dishes, people naturally eat more slowly. And when we eat slowly, the body has time to feel full. This prevents overeating. But small portions also create variety. Instead of eating one heavy meal, people enjoy several different tastes and textures. Vegetables, rice, fish, soup, pickles. Each dish adds balance. This habit also teaches appreciation. When food is served carefully in small portions, people become more aware of what they are eating. Food becomes something to respect, not just consume quickly. Over time, this habit supports better health and longer life. And interestingly, Japan is known for having one of the longest life expectancies in the world. Small portions play a role in that.
In many modern homes, cooking happens while watching television, scrolling through phones, or rushing to finish quickly. But traditional Japanese cooking often follows a different approach. Cooking is treated as a mindful activity. That means giving full attention to the process, cutting vegetables carefully, preparing ingredients patiently, arranging dishes beautifully. Nothing is rushed, nothing is careless. This mindset comes from Japanese philosophies like Zen and mindfulness. The idea is simple. Even ordinary tasks can become peaceful moments if done with attention. When cooking is mindful, several things change. The kitchen becomes quieter, the mind becomes calmer, and cooking becomes more enjoyable. People also make fewer mistakes. Food is prepared with more care, and meals become more satisfying. Mindful cooking also encourages gratitude. Gratitude for the ingredients, gratitude for the effort behind the food, and gratitude for the people who will eat the meal. This habit transforms cooking from a daily chore into something meaningful, and that meaning brings peace to everyday life.
Another powerful habit in Japanese kitchens is deep respect for food. Food is not treated casually. Every ingredient is valued. Every grain of rice matters. In many Japanese homes, wasting food is strongly discouraged. There is even a phrase often used before eating, Itadakimasu. It means something like, "I humbly receive this food." This simple phrase reminds people that food comes from many sources: farmers, nature, animals, and the effort of cooking. Because of this respect, Japanese kitchens try to use ingredients carefully. Vegetable parts that might be thrown away in other places are often used in soups or side dishes. Leftovers are stored properly and eaten later. Meals are planned thoughtfully to avoid waste. This habit also reduces unnecessary spending. Food is not thrown away. Ingredients are used fully. and people become more aware of what they consume. But the deeper lesson is about gratitude. When food is respected, people eat more slowly. They appreciate the taste, and they recognize the effort behind every meal. In a world where food waste is a global problem, this Japanese habit offers an important reminder. Food is not just a product. Food is a gift.
The Japanese kitchen may look simple, but behind that simplicity are powerful habits, habits that bring calmness, habits that bring health, and habits that make daily life easier. Let's quickly remember the 6 habits. Why avoid clutter in the kitchen? Because simplicity brings mental clarity. Why clean immediately after cooking? Because resetting the space creates peace. Why focus on seasonal ingredients? Because nature provides the best food at the right time. Why serve small portions? Because mindful eating supports health and balance. Why cook with mindfulness? Because attention transforms daily tasks into peaceful moments. And why respect food deeply? Because gratitude creates a meaningful life. These habits may look small, but small habits repeated every day can shape an entire lifestyle. You don't need to move to Japan to practice them. You can begin today. Maybe by cleaning your kitchen tonight. Maybe by cooking with more attention. Or maybe by simply appreciating the food on your plate. And if you enjoy learning simple habits and timeless wisdom that improve life, please subscribe to Health Wealth Books. This channel explores powerful ideas from cultures around the world to help you live a healthier, calmer, and more meaningful life. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.